Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Girls Like You by Maroon 5. Now before we play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Our next chord is going to be G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Our next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is F major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be C major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and F major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern on the C major chord. Down, pause, down, tap, down. 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 And now let's combine the strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Girls Like You. Spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even, ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me too. What I want when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Now if you want to play through that entire song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Girls Like You by Maroon 5. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.